we have to bargain that. But I will say you also said means some people are very poor, so there we cannot bargain, right? For small, if you see the like local people, they are selling vegetables, and so there we cannot use that bargain because they are also working hard, right? So yes, and yeah, I will say if you go for street shopping, so definitely we cannot stop ourselves. We have to bargain there, and I will say it is our right, so we can do. And while bargaining, we have to see the situation first. Which means sometimes if
Hello, good afternoon. How are you doing today?
Hi, good afternoon. I am full of wins. How about you? Thank you for asking.
Yeah, I'm doing great and thanks for asking me and welcome to the session. I'm super excited to have this session with you. So thank you so much for joining me. So before dive into the session, I would love to know something about you. So could you please introduce
Yes,
yourself?
Yes, my name is Kirti. I hail from Bihar, but currently I live in Bangalore. I am a proud homemaker and a mother of one kid, and I have done Bachelor of Commerce. Apart from this, I have my hobby is cooking, traveling, learning new skills, and I have a also YouTube channel. So I am working on that also to enhance my English. English.
Okay, great to know that you have a YouTube channel. So since when
Yeah.
have you been learning English language and when did you start your YouTube channel?
I have been learning this language for 3 months ago. I have started this journey, and 1 month ago I have made my channel also.
So for 3 months, it's I mean, quite amazing that you are speaking
Yeah,
well for 3 months. So very nice. And could
yeah.
you
Thank.
please, could you please share a little bit just your journey that what type of difficulties did you face when you started your journey?
Okay, so when I connected with people, so that time I was fumbling and my mind went blank. So that time I was so struggled to talk with people and always hesitant to myself whenever I connect with people. So that difficulties I faced, and when I started to going in PTM and joining the school, so that time I was facing a problem. So I thought, why not first I have to enhance my skill. After that, I will connect with people. And actually, earlier I have joined in a school. So as a teacher, so there I faced so many difficulties, and so I thought, no, first I brush up my skill. After that, I will join.
So now you are living in Bangalore,
Right now, currently, I am in my hometown.
hometown. So earlier, I
Yes,
think you used to live Bangalore.
yes.
Okay.
Actually, summer vacation is going on, so that's why I came my hometown.
After summer vacation, you will go for
Yes,
Bangalore.
yes.
So how old is your kid?
My daughter is 6 years old.
Okay, 6 year old. So now it's a summer vacation. Yeah, my kids also are enjoying their summer vacation. So now they
Yeah.
are at home. So let's talk about yeah. So I'm very curious to know about you. That do you go to market with your family member or alone?
I usually go to market with family members, alone, and friends also.
Okay. So do you enjoy bargaining at the market?
Yes, I enjoy. This is our rights. We cannot leave without bargaining.
So mostly, I mean, when do you do bargaining? Like at vendor, like vegetable vendor, with whom do you bargain? Like sometime we don't. Re Recently, whenever I go market, so mostly I go at fixed price soap. Okay, but whenever we go like a vendor, so that time we need to be bargaining, right?
Yes. So yes, whenever we used to go for like a small shop,
Yeah,
like vegetable vendors and like a small grocery shop. So not in grocery shop, but in local market, if you go, so there we have to bargain.
yeah,
Like we are going for shopping, and we like street market, I will say, means whenever I went to go for street marketing, so that time I used to bargain. And yeah, vegetable vendor also, there also I have to bargain there also, because I have seen to my parents also, they used to bargain. I
yeah.
learned from them.
Yeah, true that. Earlier, just
Yes.
1 year back, I used to go market a lot. So that time I used to bargain more and more. And just 1 year back, I bought a fridge. So that now I'm not going that much market for buying vegetables and fruits. Just one time, just a Sunday, I my husband buy vegetable. My husband buys vegetable, so it is comfortable for me now. Just 1 year back, I used to go market. So that time, especially fruits and vegetables vendors, I used to bargain a lot. So means only mostly 5 to 10 rupees at least I used to get. So yeah, I used to get discount 5 to 10
Yes.
rupees. So I
Yes.
do, yeah, I used to do a lot, but now currently I'm not doing because recently I read a book from related to bargaining. So from where I got to know that we should not do that much this type of thing because everyone um, selling something to earn money, right?
Money.
And yeah, and if we do bargaining, so how can they survive their life? They sell for earning purpose, for managing their home and kids, for kids, right? So from where I got to know that this is not right things, like all time. Sometime it's okay, but it's not good
But
all time, right?
yeah, yes, but I will say, if you go for street shopping,
Yeah,
they put the price, they overpriced, I will say.
yeah,
So there we have to bargain there, because I means earlier I was living in Delhi, so there, street shopping is very famous. So I went to Sarojini Market. So there means someone told me I purchased a dress. So the price was, he put the price 800, and he has given me only 200, because sometimes local market also, or street market also, they overprice the means
yeah, yeah.
so that there we have to, bargaining is necessary.
Yeah, yeah, definitely. I agree with you. Whenever we go for a street market, so that time we should do bargaining, right?
Yes.
Because they always set the price, inflated price, right? So we should do.
Yes.
But when we go for mall and some like fixed price, so that time we can't do. They sometimes give us a discount for 5%,
Yes.
10%. So there is no need for bargaining. So I
Yes.
prefer this type of soap, like mall, because there is no need to bargaining, right?
And I will say, means if you are purchasing anything, means like dress, yeah, anything. So in mall you can see the material.
Yeah,
They put the price behalf of material, means how is the material, then they put the cost of that thing, right?
yeah,
So there we have to use the, means there people can purchase about this, means all people can purchase, like small family also, and they will also try to purchase there.
Yeah, definitely. Sorry, do you live a nuclear family or joint family?
I live in nuclear family.
Oh, and here it is your hometown, so now you are living joint family now these days.
No, no, here also I am living in nuclear family.
Okay. So whole responsibility on your shoulder.
Not my shoulders. My parents is also there, so they have a responsibility. Just I came for, it is our maiden house, so we can come.
Okay, great, great. But
Yes.
now I'm living a nuclear family, so whenever I need, so I have to go to the market, and I have to do mostly I buy on these days. Just I think 1 year I'm not going for veget going for buying vegetables, but apart from this, everything whatever I need related to me, related to my kid, so I have to go to the market. And I prefer to go market for fixed price, like where price is fixed, so I'm very comfortable with them. And otherwise,
Yes.
sometimes,
We
yeah,
cannot feel means cheat like after purchasing something. Sometimes we have a regret. Means that time we overthink. Means we have purchased that thing that is the overpriced or less price.
yeah.
So in fixed price it is not there.
Yeah. So currently I'm going this type of soap. So it is good, right? So
Yes.
great.
So, one question I asked to you means whenever you purchase means like fashion jewelry and fashion things, so accessories. So there you have to bargain or not?
No, mostly I
No.
do bargaining with the uh, vegetable and fruits vendors. Mostly.
Okay, so there also means if you go out to purchase anything fashion accessories, so there also a fixed price
Yeah,
shop
fixed
is
price.
there?
Yeah, I mostly there is a fixed price. Whatever you want to take, just take. And there is, if they give you a discount, 5%, 10%, it's okay. And otherwise, mostly they uh, put fixed price. So we have to take on fixed price.
Yes, yes.
And mostly I do bargaining with vegetables and fruits vendors, because they fix price or on like inflated price they put on the things, right?
Yes.
So that time I have to bargaining, and otherwise there is no need.
Yes.
Yeah,
Fair enough, you are saying actually.
yeah, definitely. So is there any technique that you use for getting price lower?
Okay, means I had learned from my parents. Means if you are starting bargaining, so first you start means 50%. If price is 200, so you have to start 200. So they will uh, means mostly they have give in lower price. If we have to start 100, so they used to bargain like okay, they will get 120 and 130. It is enough. So that technique I have to use. Means whenever I try to go, if they are not agree, so I increase the price.
Yeah. Just gradually and slowly we try to increase the
Yes.
price. And if I like the things, otherwise we
Mm.
skip. There is no need to take. Right?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
great.
Mostly it happen on street market.
Yeah, true that. Mostly it's happened on street market, and on mall, in the mall, and fixed price. So we can't do like this, right?
Yes.
So do you have any memorable incident that you have gotten bar you have gotten like more and more discount at the market?
Okay, so when I went to Sarojini Nagar, so there I got means I purchased like earrings and kurtas. So there they have given means price was very high. So if I bargained there, so they have given in low price. So that time I was overwhelmed. Okay, I got in low price.
Yeah, that time you definitely would be overwhelming, right?
But I will say after purchasing anything, we have to regret because if you purchase lower price in anything, so that quality and material was not good.
Yeah, true that. Whenever we get discount, we would be
Yes,
happy. But after using the things, we feel the things is not good. So that's why
yes,
we get lower price, right?
yes, you are saying yes.
So quality it's matter. Whenever we get something lower price, so sometimes we feel overwhelming that yeah, it's a lower price we get, right? Yeah,
Yes.
so that. So
Okay, so I have a question. Do you feel confident while bargaining?
yeah, confident I feel whenever I talk with them like a vendor. So that time I totally confident to bargain because if I hesitate, so the person in front of me they feel like they you don't know how to buy how to buy the things. So that time I
Yes,
feel confident. And yeah, while speaking earlier I used to very shy person. So that time I was time I would say like time has changed me, okay. And now within 4 year I I went to market so many times. There is no limit because I'm a living alone, and there is so many work you can understand, you can resonate me with me. Like every
mm,
time I need to go to the market whenever
yes,
related to my kids. So there, so that things made me confident. And now whenever I go to the market, I am fully confident while purchasing, while deal and anything. So
yes,
yeah, but only in English, if I talk in English, so whenever I skip my speaking practice, so that time it is very difficult for me. And I was under the weather for 1 week, and that time I was at my parental house. So that time I was fully took a break for speaking practice. So
mm,
sometimes I feel like underconfident. Maybe I'm not able to speak in front of stranger. So sometimes I feel like this. But whenever I come back to the track, so one or two after 1 2 session, then after I gain my confidence again.
yes. Okay, so do you like street shopping or not?
Yeah, street shopping. Sometime I like. Mostly recently I do not like because I recently I got to know that the street things are not good in quality. So that is why I do not like to purchase this type of things. But earlier I used to buy a lot, like kurti and jewelry that of things I used to buy. But currently I do not buy on street. Mostly I go to the
Okay,
shop and go to the fixed market.
so sometimes we feel means we have to hang out with friends. So sometimes we go with friends for shopping. So do you also feel?
Yeah, friends now currently, I mean, now after getting married, actually I don't get time. I don't much time to hang out with my friends. So currently I am not doing like this. But earlier when I was a girl, before getting married, I used to go with my friend, and I used to hang out with my friends and buy something. So currently I'm not doing like this. I go alone.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, means after getting married, we don't have much time, so we cannot go with friends. Yeah, and sometimes our friends is also busy, so we cannot post them also.
And now I'm feeling confident if I alone. If I go alone, I feel
Yes,
confident because
yes,
sometimes if you live alone, so it is your responsibility that what to speak, how to speak with a stranger.
yes,
So
yes,
now I'm comfortable within 4 years. Earlier it was not. Now I'm comfortable with my situation, and whenever whatever problems comes in my way, so I'm able to handle them.
yes, true. Yeah, I resonate with you because means earlier after getting married, I was also not comfortable to go alone, but gradually I overcome my fear and I try to go out alone. So sometimes it's happened means whenever we find the friends, so that time they are not available.
Yeah,
So in that situation, we feel means I feel also means I how can I go alone? So that time I was hesitate. But over the period I learned means I used to go alone, and because we have to manage everything because our all responsibility is our on shoulders. So that thing they teach us means that responsibilities teach us to how to handle means every situations and circumstances.
time I can say like time teaches us everything
Yes,
by the time.
yes, true.
Earlier,
It's true.
when we live with our parents, with our family, so there is no need to do something, right? But when we live
Yes,
alone, as you know that as you mentioned that you are living as Bangalore, right? After
yes,
uh, after summer vacation, then after you will go, and you are
yes,
definitely live alone. So there, sometime you need to go market. So definitely you need to go alone. There is no one to help you. So definitely sometime time teaches us so many things,
yes, it's true.
and we should go with the flow by the time.
Yes,
Definitely.
yes.
What advice would you like to give to the ladies that while bargaining?
Okay, so bargaining. I will say means you see the situation. If situation is means we have to see the circumstances. Okay, here we have to use the bargaining. So definitely we have to go ahead because they also means shopkeeper also put the price high. So sometimes we have to bargain that. But I will say you also said means some people are very poor, so there we cannot bargain, right? For small, if you see the like local people, they are selling vegetables, and so there we cannot use that bargain because they are also um, working hard, right? So yes, and yeah, I will say if you go for street shopping, so definitely we cannot stop ourselves, we have to bargain there. And I will say it is our right, so we can do. And while bargaining, we have to see the situation first. This means sometimes if we means we have to say the shopkeeper, okay, I will purchase this in this price. So that time shopkeeper was also furious.
Yeah.
So that time we have to see the situation while bargaining.
Yeah, definitely. I agree with you, and I'm totally inspired talking to you. Like you have a much knowledge that we should do the bargaining according to circumstance, right?
Yes,
We should uh,
yes,
notice that person, how is the person, and what is the situations of others. Because all time
yes,
bargaining is not good. We should think about others too, because they are selling the things due to they are selling the things for earning purpose, not they are
Yes.
providing things as a free, right? So
Yes.
we should focus on this. So definitely I
Yes.
agree with you, and really I truly enjoyed a lot talking to sorry. I
Me too,
truly,
actually.
yeah,
I
I truly
I also
enjoyed
enjoy.
a lot to talk to you. So thank you so much for joining me and giving me your precious time. Thank you so much. Bye.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye.